Thank you to all Nigerians who have joined us on this prayer exercise. Thank you. Today is day 3 of our prayer. Thank you for joining us. And I'm receiving a lot of calls. Many people are telling us some kind of revelation that they are receiving. Some people sending me voice messages that what God speaks to them. It is a wonderful one. I want to beg all Nigerians to join us from this day henceforth to pray for this country. We really need God's intervention on this country. I really tell you the truth. We need to pray. I beg everybody, make una bring out on our mind, make we pray for this country. Because time don't reach where we say we need God's intervention for this country. Now the truth be that. Our prayer starts since on the 20th. And this prayer will stop on the 30th of November. I beg every one of us, make we pray. I beg. We get power, but we don't get power reach God. We believe, say, God will make this country great again. We believe, say, collectively, as we change our mentality to do things for this country, do them right, this country go good again. My brothers and sisters, I want to tell us some things where we say it is spoil this country. And we no can't all those things join them. What we they can't, not just government problem. Our problem no be only government problem. According to what God they review. Our problem no be only government problem. We the citizen, we get problem also. But we know the talk truth. I make I tell you, say, Nigeria people, we can lie. We lie past devil. I tell you the truth. We they lie too much. Now we be the only country where we say we dey lie to our neighbor. Papa they lie to pikin. We dey even lie give God, lie give ourselves. We dey share lie anyhow. We no get respect for lie. The way we take dey share lie, we never dey look person face. Who would they sell lie to? We know they look in face with this. We dey sell lie anyhow. By the time don't reach, where we go to tell ourselves the truth. And for those of una where they vex, they call me for phone, they send me messages, say Nigeria no go better until they divide this country. I won't beg you, or I won't tell you something. Nigeria no fit divide until we get the right mentality. If Nigeria dey on crisis, division we no fit divide. Nigeria no fit divide if crisis dey for this country. If you create crisis, no be there solution there. Our mentality no good. We dey feel say na if we create trouble, create crisis, na government go break. Na like what? If you create crisis for this country, wetin you only do be say you say make bad government continue or make Nigeria continue as e be. Na wetin you dey do? All those giddy gada, e no dey work. Make we dey tell ourselves the truth. If you like, make any kind of story. Until you pass through the right road, nothing dey work. My name is Sir Webster Henry Chukwudi, the president of Nigeria Rise Initiative Worldwide. This initiative na to unite Nigerian people. Make we all begin to do things good. We dey unite Nigerian people all over the world. Now today, if you go for all over the world, Nigeria Rise Initiative, we get chapters in all over the world. My brothers and sisters, men and women, they gather themselves. Men and women, they come together. Nigerian people, we don't change our mentality. We don't come together to make sure, say, come soon. We go push, and when we push, no government will stand down. And that thing make Nigeria Rise Initiative be the biggest platform of Nigerians all over the world. In Nigeria, we dey for the 36 states of Nigeria, and right now we don't break into local governments. We dey go into communities. We dey reach out to the grassroots. We get plan where we take they come, and that plan where we take they come, it go make Nigeria now one Nigeria, but it go dey strong. It go dey formidable. We all go proud say this country in our own. My brothers and sisters, make we share some few truths about our personal problem where they disturb this country, where we know they tell ourselves the truth. Because if we all begin to do wetin good, I tell you the truth, this country go better. Sharp go better. Nigerians, we do the talk. We no need such kind of people. Talkatives. You dey talk, you know they ask yourself all these things where you dey talk. Wetin be the solution? Or wetin be the way to achieve those things? You know they ask yourself. Shame on you, Nigerians, if you continue like that. Let us come to look into some certain things where we say God reveal. Many of us within Nigeria, we dey suffer. As we dey suffer, God gave you the opportunity. You travel abroad. When you travel abroad, you learn many things for abroad. For abroad, you go buy something for supermarket, you go stand for line to create peace. For abroad, anything where you dey do, you go follow due process. You dey fear the law. You go respect the law. The same you wey learn things for abroad finish go still reach Nigeria. You go start to behave like animal. You know the shame? You know the shame? Somebody wey come from abroad go put cloth for road, they fight. For abroad, you dey fight. Animalistic behavior. Wetin you come dey teach your people where you live for many years, you can't come back on and teach them. What you dey teach them? We get problem, but we know they tell ourselves the truth. Many of us no see chop. Your papa sell land, your papa sell a house, go dey live for tenant, gather the money to send you abroad. After you don't get the money for abroad, before you get the money, I try cheese won't kill your papa. I try cheese won't kill your mama. Romanticism don't they chop your papa leg anyhow. You don't get money now. You go come back to Nigeria. You go open your eye where God give you. Take 10 million, go buy car because of pride. You are a fool. You are a fool. That 10 million where you take buy car, where you no get value, that 10 million reach to go for your community, for your own village, invest small scale company where we say you go fit employ people. If everybody will travel abroad, start to they go for their own village, they open supermarket, they bring this thing, you go see say villages go become cities, small city. But we, out of pride, arrogancy, now so we mismanage everything. After you don't mismanage finish, after 3 months where you stay for Nigeria, you go find another ticket, they go abroad, then you go do another one. You know, you tell yourself the truth. By the time you don't fall, you go say enemies. My family people, they pursue me. This one, they pursue me. Now family members. Now, mismanagement where they disturb our leaders, they disturb us also. And now from like this, our leaders, then they do, come become leader. Still, they still carry on. Now the same way. If you don't get good management for this your tender age, when you grow, when you want to learn the good management, a boy will come work for abroad, get money, God bless him with up to 20-30 million. He go travel Nigeria. He no get one single investment. The only highest thing if you do, if you build only house. After that house, you go come back to abroad. Shame on you. Shame on you. Every Nigerian supposed to think, what can I do for my country? Now so US people, they ask. Every US citizen, they ask, what can I do for my country? Many fools go, they say, what in Nigeria don't do for me? What I going to do for them? What in Nigeria don't do for me? What I going to do for them? Listen to me, that language is a language of fools. You know why? We be Nigeria, now you be Nigeria. So you ask yourself, what you don't do for yourself, where you go not before you go, what yourself don't do for you before you go do for yourself. We know the shame at all. With 10 million, you can invest small scale company where you go fit employ 5 people for your own community. If Olu invest, employ 5 people. Emeka invest, employ 5 people. Chidi, invest, employ 5 people. Nandi, invest, employ 5 people. If everybody begin to employ small, 5 people will travel abroad. If we now employ 5 people, you know, say the problem of this country will come to a stable ground. You know. Oyibo people, how they do their own? Oyibo come do their own. Say they know they cook for house. So restaurants come full everywhere. Those restaurants, go check how many people they employ. For one restaurant, go and check how many people they employ. And so they create job opportunity, small. Then the remaining one is no go too heavy for government. But we know they tell ourselves the truth. Nigerians, we know they tell ourselves truth. Now we don't they cry again, they cry. Say this government no good, this government do this government do that, this government na this. Okay, time don't reach. God don't give us opportunity. Say this government one I not like. They're gonna vote and come out. We see they look for places where we go sell our voters card. Who go give us 5,000? Who go give us 4,000? You must give us something before we vote for you. See the kind of mentality where we get. Shame on Nigerian people. Only we go scatter this country. Only we go they cry. Now look, even God don't tire for us. We they confuse God. And they tell you the truth. Nigerian people, hell! Time don't reach for election now. Time don't reach for voting. Now there you hear some people say no voting. Now better thing. When you open mouth where God give you say no voting. Now better thing. No be better thing. Lazy mindset of people. No, they see far. If you they see far, when you say no voting, you don't sign your whole life, give the bad government, say they continue. Anything they do, now be good for you. Nigerians, make we open our eyes now. Not be who they shout, now get sense pass. Make we open, make we reason, my brothers and sisters. Make we reason. Make we put heads together. Make we reason as normal human being. That is why we dey beg all Nigerians, join Nigeria Rise Initiative anywhere where you dey. For the whole 36 states we dey there. Join. Go attend meetings. Go and reason with your brothers and sisters. If you never join us now with this number. +601 135 483 733. If you never join us now for our platform. This platform is the biggest platform so far. The biggest platform that brings people together. All Nigerians have seen a place where they can discuss. Join us. +601 135 483 733. Go into our platform and join us. If you don't see us for YouTube, click on subscribe. You're going to get subsequent messages from us. Time don't reach where we tell ourselves the truth. So because if we continue with this lie, we go scatter many things. Let us be honest to ourselves, and God will help us. Because God no go help us if we no help ourselves. I beg us. Let us learn to talk for Nigeria. Learn to talk. No be say youth go dey open mind dey talk say I see Nigeria. Now that country self I don't tire put. That country no, the country I don't tire. Which kind useless country be this? As you say, now you don't tire. You no tire for anybody. Now yourself you dey talk to, because now you be Nigeria. Once you say I don't tire for that country, you don't tire for yourself. Which kind useless Nigeria be this? Now yourself you dey talk to. Now yourself. Make we think. Our mentality they disturb us. If you come for Nigeria now, see rituals everywhere. Rituals. Every corner rituals. Rituals. Our governments, they do rituals. We, they do rituals. In the name of waiting, just money. And when the money comes, what you think they do? Big boy. They pump champagne. They pump champagne. That be the reason why you go kill human being. They do money because you won't pop champagne. God go punish you. God go punish you. God go punish you. You won't drive big car. You won't show you be odogu. Now make you go kill human being. They do money, they do big boy. Where you no go live forever. Sooner you go die throw away. This life where we no go live forever. Now you dey keep person they do money. Shame on you. The money where you dey get now, what you gain? You don't get money. What you gain? After some years you go die. How many of you now get money where go buy life? When your time reach, you go die. Shame on Nigerian people. Make we all change our mind. Now the beg on Nigerian people say time done show we take vote at bad government. And this bad government we need to vote them out. Because this bad government don't make us, we don't cry. We don't shed tears. People don't die. Too many people don't die. Too many people don't die for this country. And the time done is where the people of Nigeria we go start to react to government. And our reaction now our PVC. Take out your PVC now. Vote at this government. Now, Nigerians, I beg you now. We don't check very well. The only person, the only party, the only structure where if he conquer APC, both home and in the diaspora, both in government and in power contention, both in local and international, na PDP. I dey beg you now well. No see Nigerian people, once we don't invest, we will talk anyhow. We will talk anyhow. My brothers and sisters, PDP stand a better chance for now. Underline this word they use every time. Because Nigerian Rights Initiative, we know what we did do. We want to make sure that this country will get up first. My brothers and sisters, to vote at this government, vote PDP, vote Atiku for 2019. Now I beg una. Vote right. When we don't vote Atiku finish, Atiku, by the grace of God, if he become president, we all will see the monitor him. We all will see the shout. If he starts fuck up, we go treat the fuck up immediately. We go announce him everywhere. And Atiku may not last after one tenure. If he continue with bad government, it will not last one tenure. We all go vote him out immediately again. If the country want to divide into 20, let it divide. But for the now, we must do things right. Vote at Muhammadu Buhari. The man is weak mentally. The man is weak bodily. The only thing when Muhammadu Buhari succeed for 4 years now to treat himself and kill other people. For 4 years. For 4 years, this S-man has damaged us. We need to do things right. And God will bless every one of us. Please, let us wake up and begin to do things right. Think right. Nigeria needs your best. Join us on this prayer session as we begin to deliver Nigeria with the truth. There are things I want to say tomorrow, and those things may offend many people, but really we don't care who will say it. Join us on our mission tomorrow, and God bless you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe with us and make sure you click on that button, the bell there. Click on it to get our bell, to get more of our information every time. God bless you. Do you good. Thank you very much.